start with round one, the wetlands. You can see here we have a model of food in the wetlands. This bowl represents a river or a lake or a pond. The water represents the water where the animals live, and the pasta noodles actually represent the fish inside of that pond. Let's start with our first bird beak, the pelican scooping beak, and see how many fish we can catch in 15 seconds. On your mark, get set, go! How many fish can I get in this 15 seconds? Let's see. Okay. 4 more seconds. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's stop there. Now we have to count up the number of fish that we caught and put it on the data table. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, wow, 20, 22, 24, 25 fish caught by the pelican's scooping beak. Let's all take our marker and write a 25 in the first row for the pelican. Now, in the wild, we know we wouldn't actually put the fish back into the water, but let's do it so that our hummingbird has a fair chance to get some of this delicious food. We'll reset our timer for 15 seconds. We'll get our next bird beak for the hummingbird, which is the straw, and let's start. Okay. My straw beak is trying to fish. Uh-oh, time is up. Now you guys can see I actually didn't catch any fish with my hummingbird beak, so let's put a big old 0 into our data table. Now it's time for the last beak. The oriole bird has a tweezer beak. Bam. Oops. I'm tweezing my fish, just like an oriole would. Oh, stop there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 fish caught for the oriole. Scientists, right now, take your whiteboard marker or your pencil and circle the food survivor for that round. Who caught the most food? Great job. Yes, the pelican gets food survivor for this round. Let's all put a circle on that scooping beak. Which bird do you think is best adapted to survive in the wetlands?